everyone. It's January, and a question that I get asked a lot, especially at the beginning of the year, is what should I do to my home to get it ready to put on the market? And I know you read things about opening blinds and decluttering and things like that, but there's two things you can do to get your home ready to put on the market to spend the smallest amount of money and probably have the biggest impact in how a buyer is going to see your home. And one is paint, and the second one is lighting. You can make a room look brand new with a fresh coat of paint and a new light fixture. These things are relatively inexpensive. They're a whole lot less expensive than it's going to cost you to get new countertops or replace cabinets, but paint and lighting. So really think about this when you're getting your home ready. If you want to sell in the spring, you're getting ready to put it on the market now. It doesn't cost much for paint and lighting, and the more your room looks clean and there's fresh paint, the more move-in ready buyers are going to see it. If you have any questions about colors, give me a call. I can tell you what's really popular right now. I'm Kelly Bossman with Path Home Real Estate. Thank you for watching.